to my channel Learn with Pragya. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you science subject. Chapter number 1, Growing Plants. In this chapter, we are going to learn about seed and plant. And we are also talking about how to grow plants in an artificial method. And how to grow plants from roots, stems, leaves and spores. And we are also going to learn about agriculture. So, one thing, I'm creating this video for those who cannot take a private tuition or cannot understand one chapter. If you have any problem about any chapter, please tell me. I will surely help you to understand it. So, our chapter name is Growing Plants. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of all my new videos. So, let's get started. So, chapter number 1 of science, growing plants. So, let us show that. This one chapter, growing plants. So, it is very interesting. You might like it. Okay, first topic I am going to tell you about is structure of a seed. Topic, seed structure. So, I'll show you the photo first. This white part is called the cotyledon, and the part which protects the cotyledon is called seed coat, and this part is called hilum, which absorbs the water. This is called the baby plant, and this is the embryo. So I'm going to show you the different stages and little information about the seed. Topic, seed coat. The seed coat protects the seed and the baby plant inside it. So, the second stage I'm going to tell you is a hilum, absorbs the water. And next is embryo. Embryo makes food for the baby plant. And the baby plant, okay, I'll tell you afterwards, and cotyledon. When you break the seed into two parts, each part is called a cotyledon. And I'm going to tell you about baby plant. Baby plant is a small plant, okay, and also called seedling. When it grows, it becomes a tree or a plant. So that plant was small and it was inside the seed. And when it grows, a seed falls off and a plant emerge out. So after the seed structure, not all the seed grows into a new plant. Some of the seed is destroyed by the harsh weather, like heavy rainfall storms has been that they have destroyed. So there is many condition and situation where the plants gets destroyed. I'll tell you the process of the seed also. When a seed is inside the soil, it grows one stem, and it has also the cotyledons. And when the seed grows a little bit more, the cotyledons fall off and the plant, means the leaves, emerge out. So the process in which the seed grows into a new plant is called germination. I just repeat again. The process in which the seed grows into a new plant is called a germination. And this sentence means the process is we eat and it goes in our stomach, digest it, and we get nutrition. So this is a process, na? So like that only, the process where the seed was grow into a new plant means it grows a little, means one stem, later the leaves grow, then flower, then fruits, the tree or any plant. So the process of this is called a germination. So when the new seed grows from a new plant is called a germination. Remember it. Okay, our next topic is dispersal of seed. So I'm going to tell you, most of you will ask what is a dispersal of seed. So dispersal means when a plant is planted in a space without living in one space, they will struggle for space, light, air and water. So for this, they will try to break off, or they want to go far away from that plant, or this plant. So that's why what they will do, they will dispersal. And dispersal can happen by four types: wind, air, explosion, and animals. Air. I'll tell you some plants name like dandelion, maple, and cotton. When they grow, when the wind goes, they carry off all the means they carry the plant as it's so light. The plant is so light and wing shaped that they is carry from air and go far away and fall, and from that where they fall, there goes a new plant of that plant. I give you example like a cotton plant. Okay, it was little bit a cotton. It was so light that the air goes and the cotton plucked and go with it and falls in a field. And when it falls, it grows a cotton plant there. Like on that only it has done. So dispersal of wind can happen to maple, dandelion, and cotton and many more plants. Next topic, dispersal of water. Dispersal of water means that the fruit or seed is carried far away with the help of the water. You will see when the coconut falls in the water, it floats away. But you might ask that the coconut is very heavy and the seed that inside it is very heavy. How it happens? Because the seed covers a waterproof covers a waterproof and spongy layer of fiber filled with air. Okay, spongy layer of fiber filled with air. The seed is made up of spongy layer of fiber filled with air. That's why it floats on the water. You will see lotus also and foxglove also. That are the example of plants which can float away with the water. Next topic, dispersal by animals. You will see that cucklebear cucklebear is one plant that has sticky substance inside it. When the plant animals go beside it, it's stuck to the animal skin or a few. So wherever it falls, it grows a new plant of that. As I tell a cucklebear, okay. A sheep was passing by where the cockle bear she was passing this is a cockle bear, and when the sheep was passing by it, it touches the cockle bear and some of the cockle bear leaves attached to the sheep. So when it attached to the sheep, the sheep has gone to graze. Bears fall down in the grazing land only, and therefore such a plant of a cockle bear. Like this I want to tell you. Example can be done like a bird eats a berry, okay, and the berry has a seed. So the bird or animals that eat fruits, they don't throw the seed, they eat the seed also. And the seed, when they fly, the seed falls in the drop in. Like I want to tell you, one bird saw a berry, and that bird eat one berry with seed, and when it was flying, he threw the seed into a drop in, and wherever it falls, a berry plant grows. So this was dispersal of plants, means animals. Explosion. You will see the a gorse or peanut or pea is an example of explosion. Whenever the pea gets a hot ray on them, or whenever it dry ups, or even when touch, it bursts open, and the seeds that contains it also bursts, and all over the seed falls. And okay, one pea was there, and so sunrise has come, or it has dry up, or by mistakenly we have touched it, so the seeds inside the pea burst, and wherever it falls, the seed falls wherever it falls, their plant grows, from their plant grows. So this is by the dispersal of explosion. So if you like this video, please like and comment in my channel. So this much for today. There is part 2 upcoming soon, so follow my videos, and the part 2 will be much interesting. So this much for today. Bye, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This much for today. Bye. Meet you in the next part.